Hi, Nick here at Sherwood Dodge. I'm going to show you this awesome 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan GT in Octane Red. Does have a clean car roof. Got some great options here for you. One I wanted to show you was exclusive Stow and Go. So you got a 60-40 split here. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3, 4 to put it all down. There we go. Whoa. Let's go check out the inside. All right, in this 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan GT, you got your awesome touchscreen here to play DVDs and CDs right in there. This doesn't have the DVD player, but you can still watch a movie or whatnot on here just while not driving. So you also got your heated seats, heated steering wheel. You got your Bluetooth up here. Again, the exclusive Stow and Go. You got some awesome buttons up here to operate your sliding doors and the power lift gate. Low kilometers for the year. Going for a great price. For more information, give me a call at 780-907-9334 or comment below. Thanks. Have a great day.